Original gangster Junie Balls is dead. He was once one of the most feared men on the streets of Belize City, and whether you call it notoriety or fame, George Junie Balls McKenzie was regarded with the type of awe usually only reserved for political leaders. But tonight, 33-year-old George Junie Balls McKenzie, former leader of the Ghost Town Crips, is dead. Junie Balls was killed last night in an execution-style murder near his home in Pink's Alley.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe with your notification button. Maxine, rap bread, undocumented, Arizona boss, country girl, country boss, 306, nuclear rasta on the big up. Now, this little thing here is about a youth by name Junie Balls or Junie Balls MACKENZIE in a Belize. Them fling him away back in a 2007. But the way how them do it, cause him is the leader of the Ghost Town Crips, and he was running one of the biggest gang. And them send a little one man from the Bloods down in a Belize and them execute him. So, me a go play this thing here and me a go interject back and forth. But one of the reasons why me a do that video here, or doing the video them on Belize, I just want to show how Belize is just like Jamaica. I've been looking at the stats, and this piece I'm doing is from 2007, but it follows right back up into 2022. All the stuff that's going on. So let's go.
This was the scene last night in front of the Chan Sing restaurant on North Front Street, next to Pink's Alley. The body on the ground is George Junie Balls McKenzie. He had been shot once to the head and killed on the spot. Pink's Alley residents swarmed the police mobile as it left with the body. Most wanted one last look at the man they call the Godfather. After the body was removed, police say that Junie Balls McKenzie was killed by this man, 19-year-old Edward Lord. He was approached from behind, a lone gunman who got off a bicycle and fired a single shot which caught him in the back of the head. We are in possession of a warrant in the first instance of one Edward Lord, of whom I have a wanted poster for him. Once he's caught, he will be formally arraigned and taken to magistrate's court. So Mr. Lord has been identified as the shooter? Supt. Aaron Guzman. Definitely. He has been identified positively. He is known to the persons who identified him. Police aren't saying why Lord killed Junie Balls McKenzie, but his wife Melissa Major says her husband was a changed man. It's an inevitable retaliation which CIB Chief Aaron Guzman they're trying their best to suppress.
They mash up that youth here really bad. Let me tell you, you have a lone gunman walk up to him, and in the post-mortem, them say him get one shot to the back of the head and the bullet lodged in him forehead. Him have a tough skull. Him get one to the left ear, back of the left ear, and it come out through him throat. And the next one, them say, go through him left eye. The man them did want to get rid of him. He was the leader of the Crips in Belize, and them did a beef with the Bloods and the George Street gang. It is definitely a hit. Mr. Lord, I think he is a member of the George Street gang, if I'm not lying. And at the time of this, he was like 19, 20 years old. But it goes to show you how cool the man them in Belize is. One thing with badness, or never specify murder, majority of the time when somebody get fling away, or somebody who know them, even if I know them plan it, because them know say the man did the old time gate. So somebody have to call and say, yo, him there so. You understand? Unless a man ride every day upon a bicycle to make sure him there so. A Marcus part him there, that can work too. But in a majority of the case, somebody there call the hitman, because the hitman now will ride up and down with gun in a middle day or evening or night or whatever. So that's how it go. Yo, them Angular youth are cool. Now, there is more to this story, but I'm gonna tell it in another video. But that's the story of George, Junie Balls, MACKENZIE, notorious Crip leader, run the whole of the Crips them in a Belize, do a whole heap of thing. Decide say, yo, I'm gonna go cool out, cause I'm having mute them. And the man them send some man off him. And the story continues, and it lead right back up until 2022. My name is Countryman. Remember, if you like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button, and help me bring up these subscribers. Peace, I'm out.